Here's a look at the GUI we created for our digital tunes project. So on the left here we have combinations that you can create with your left hand. So each of these numbers, if you convert it to binary, will tell you the combination of fingers that you need to have pressed or not pressed. And same thing here on the right, both go from 1 to 15 because we're using 4 fingers on each hand. Those are the thumb, the index, middle, and ring fingers. So if you go ahead and click on one of these, so for instance this right hand combination's number 1 is when the thumb is pressed. So we can go ahead and set the sound here, and for that we'll set the piano A key. So we'll move down here before we go ahead and mess with that. So we're going to hit done, and we're going to actually save our file. So you can see here we have an asterisk, meaning that our file is in a dirty state. So we're going to go ahead and save that real quick. So let's save it to test3.json. We're using JSON files to represent configurations for our GUI. So on the left down here we have visual indicators of what's going on the left hand. So I'll hit the left index finger and you'll see the background turn green. In the middle here you'll actually see a history of what's been going on. So you saw that I pressed the index finger and then I released the index finger. And the data being sent between the Flora and the computer is actually this right here. So it's a set of 3 integers. Each one, 0 meaning left hand, 1 meaning index finger, and 1 meaning pressed, and then 0 meaning released. So 1 in the first column would mean right hand. So we'll go ahead and I'll push the right thumb, and when I push that we're actually going to hear a piano A. So we see that the piano A key was played, and you see that represented twice here in the history. And like I said, 1 represents the right hand in the first column, 0 represents thumb in the middle column, 1 is pressed, and 0 is released. So we can go ahead and open up a different piano configuration that I've previously set up. So hit this, and now everything should be set up for a couple different piano notes. So we can play things like, hear a couple different piano notes, and that'll actually be part of the physical demonstration for Dr. Liu and the later part of this video.